In this tutorial, I'll show you two simple ways to add data to a Notion database. Whether you're tracking tasks, projects, or personal notes, these methods will help you quickly organize your information. Let's get started. First, open Notion and create a new database if you don't already have one. You can create a new page, choose table, and select either a full page or inline database. Next, set up the properties you need. Add columns such as name, status, date, priority, or any other property that fits your workflow. The first way to add data is by typing directly into the table. Click an empty row, enter a title, and fill in the other properties like dates, tags, or status. Repeat this for each new entry you want to add. The second way is to click the New button at the top of the database. This opens the entry as its own page, where you can fill in all the properties and add extra content such as notes, checklists, images, files, or other blocks. When you're finished, simply return to the database and your new item will appear automatically. You can edit any entry at any time by clicking on it, and you can always add or modify properties later as your database grows. That's how to add data to a Notion database. Thanks for watching.